Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to share System.io funnel. First, go and log in to your System.io account. Once inside, on the upper ribbon, click on the Sites drop-down. Then from here, go to either Sales or Digital Funnels. Go to where the funnel that you want to share is. Now, once inside, beside the one that you want to share, click on these three dots, then click on share. Now you'll have the link, so just go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. Then give it to the person that you want to share it with. Now, if they go and add it or paste it to their browser, the funnel will be added to their account. And that's just basically it. That's how you share System.io funnel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.